everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and I have an unboxing for you. See if there's any clues. Oh, there's a customs declaration. It's from Korea. Let's see what's inside. Christmas time, come early. Okay, this is the box that I shouldn't guess, because if I'm wrong, then I have to put up little signs that say, no, I was wrong. And I hate being wrong, don't you? Okay, here's the toolkit. It's a little green boat with a cutout, and a pink pen with a single and a 6 placer with a nice chunk of wax and nice tweezers in there. Let's see. Aha! Look at these colors. This is a custom from the company Wending. It is a 40 by 40. Here's the image. Let me put the picture up for you. I am such a fan of florals. You guys all know that, but I am also a big fan of roses. And I saw somebody had this on their Facebook page, and I said, please can I borrow your image for a diamond painting? So here it is. It's a close-ups of a rose petal. Now sadly, since then, there's a little brouhaha over it. She thought I was making money off it, because you know, that's what we do. We diamond paint to make money. This one is just beautiful. I will do it and frame it and put it on my wall. It's not a lot of colors because it is a red rose. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 colors. So you can see it's all shades of red, a lot of 310. There's some loose drills in there, so I'm gonna have to pick it all up. 40 by 40 full drill round. Very nice. I tell everybody, when you're doing customs, get something you love or that you're gonna love making for someone else. Really take some time and get a nice layout and make sure that it's exactly how you want it before you order it. You don't want a custom of a picture you love and have it show up and be off center or the wrong colors. Or take your time and do it with love, just like you would any needlework. That's the end, and see you in the next video. You have a great day, and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.